Welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your KDP account on Amazon and start publishing as an author from any part of the world. If you are watching this video from any part of the world, it is applicable everywhere. So you can use this method I'm going to be showing you today to set up your KDP account and start publishing as an author. And I'll be dropping more videos too on KDP journey. So you can stay tuned and watch more video on my channel to get more knowledge about KDP and how the KDP system works and how to make more money on your KDP publishing journey. So first of all, for the purpose of this video, I already have a KDP account that I'm using to publish weekly. So and Amazon does not allow a dual account. Amazon does not allow a dual account. So if you are watching this video, if you already have any affiliate or any account with Amazon, either Amazon FBA, Amazon affiliate, any Amazon merchandise, if you already have an account with Amazon, you can just you don't need to sign up again. You don't need to sign up for any account again. You can use that open your KDP account. Don't sign up for dual account. Don't sign up for dual account. If you do that, Amazon is going to block your account. They're going to block your account. So I already have an account, and I don't want to sign up for another KDP on my system. So that's why I'm using incognito window. Incognito window. So I want to hide my IP from Amazon, so that for the purpose of this training. So the first thing you're going to do is type in on Google. Go to Google and type kdp.amazon.com. kdp.amazon.com. So we're on the Amazon publishing page now. So this page will comes up on Amazon KDP page. So if you are a new member, you click on sign in. You click on sign up or register. It's still the same thing. Register as a new member or sign up is the same thing. So if you already have account with Amazon, then you go for sign in. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be signing up for a new account. So I'm clicking on sign up. So sign into your Amazon. So I'll be using my before you create an account, you make sure you have your mobile number or your email ready. Make sure you have your mobile number or your email ready. So I already have my email here. I'm going to be inputting my email, creative points. So my password. If you are signing up for a new account, you click on create your new KDP account. You are clicking here, create your new KDP account. If you already have account with Amazon, that's when you click on sign in. That's when you click on sign in. Okay, so I'm clicking on create your new KDP account. So speaking on this, so I need to fill my details here. So I'm filling my details, first name and last name. put your email again. Creative Point. So my password. Make sure you use a strong password. Make sure you use a strong password. Uppercase and lowercase is recommended. Now create your new KDP account. So I'm going to click in to create your new KDP account. So an OTP will be sent to my mail. So let me check that. So I'm inputting my OTP sent to my mail. Okay, create account. So you can read this, read this, and scroll down to the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom. You can read this if you have the time. Then agree. So we have our account created. Our account has been created. Our KDP account has been created. Just like that. You can see our account has been created. So what's the next thing? See the message here. Your account information is incomplete. To publish a book, you will need to complete this. So what do? So we update our information so that we'll be able to publish our book on Amazon. So I'm clicking on that. So I'm entering my number. So I'm from Nigeria. So I'm from Nigeria. So I'll input my number. An OTP will be sent to my phone number. If you are from anywhere, any part of the world, just input your number. You don't need to hide your identity. From US, from Canada, anywhere in the world. So what's the next thing? Enter the following information to help us determine how to send you payment. So I'll be making another video on how to add your payment. I'll be making another video how to add your payment. So for this video, I'm going to be stopping right here. So check my next video for that. I don't want. So for the purpose of this video, is it business type, individual? So for this purpose of this video, I'm an individual. So I'm clicking on individual. Date of birth. to your region. I'm from Nigeria. Clicking on Nigeria. Legal name. Legal name. Enter your legal name. The name written on your ID card. The name that is written on your ID card. Address. This is optional. You can put that you have to address city. Gonna input Ogun State. Ogun as well. Ogun State. If you want to get your postal code anywhere you are, just type it on Google. Type your postal code on Google, and it's going to bring that. So let me show you that too. You want to get how to get your postal code. Let's say Kenya. You can see that. So any part of the world you are, don't stress yourself. Just go to Google. Google is your friend and type it. It's gonna bring it 121 103. So I'm gonna put that here. Phone number again. 6. So that's that about that, how to set up your Amazon, how to open your Amazon KDP account, how to open your Amazon KDP. That's all you need to. So in the next video, I'm going to be continuing on how to I'm going to be filling our banking details and tax information and everything. So from there, we can start publishing our book. So I'll see you in the next video.